Dear customers, welcome to igrocers.com.au. Just to increase your shopping experience, we have just launched the new interface of our website. You can see there are a lot of categories. You can browse each category for the different products. You can select one of them from the chosen most popular products. As you go down on the website front page, you will see that there are some options available to contact us. You can call us or you can email us on the given informations. You can also browse quick links to see our terms and conditions and policies. Also, you can click on the icons of Google Play and Apple Store to download our smart app. So just to demonstrate how to order your first product, we will go into the meat category and place your order. In the meat category, you can see a lot of options available again. And let us select lamb curry. Next page, you can basically increase or decrease the quantity of the product you selected. You can see the relevant products as long as you will click Add to the cart. System will give you an option to check out by going to My Cart. So in the My Cart options, you can see that you can again increase the quantity of the product you selected, and you can continue shopping if you want to add some more products in the same cart, and you can proceed to checkout. Or if you added something by mistake, you can delete the product as well. So in this case, we will just continue by clicking Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, there are some basic information you have to fill in. If you are not registered and shopping as guest, you have to provide your information. First name, second name, your valid email address, and your best contact number so our support team or delivery team can reach you. Next, you have to provide your address. When you will type your address, Google Map will search for your address and fill in automatically. If you are in Perth Metro, you have to provide postcode 6000 so that the right discounts could be applied. If you want to leave any note for the dispatch team, you can mention in the box down here. Next, you will apply the discount code if you have any. Otherwise, you will just simply press Next to check out for the payment. In the payment options, there are two options available. One is bank transfer, other is the credit card, debit card. If you press bank, you will see that the iGrocers bank information will be already there. If you go for the payment via credit card, system will take you to the separate page for checkout. So we are using here the option of bank transfer. Next, you have to accept our terms and conditions, otherwise system will not proceed further. If you want to read the terms and conditions, you have to click the link and options will open in a separate page. And here you go. You just press the button and your order will be placed. Now you can check your registered email to see your payment receipt will be already there. Thank you for using iGrocers WA.